Welcome to the What is New video. Every month we release ISOs and every month we accompany this with a how to stay rolling and what is new, what have we done lately, right? There are different websites sharing not the same CPU, not the same memory, but each on its own has a lot of bandwidth, a lot of CPU power and memory. And it has also different goals. This is information where you can download stuff. This is about anything Linux has to offer, questions of all kinds. This is about the desktops. This is about building ISOs. This is about Carly. So building from scratch, from A till Z. It's a binge watch thing and workflow and tips and tricks to make Calamaris work. ALCI and a riser, right? Have a look. This is all, well, we like to call the ecosystem of ArcoLinux. And lately we have one new guy, and the latest, the newest is our Arco install. So have a look as well there. If you're gonna download, you see this pop up, this thing flips to make you aware that this is new, right? And if you want to have more information, read about it here. You can actually follow. We're going to the B, since the ISO has been created for you to build it. Each day of the month you can build the latest Arco install with the latest kernel, the latest drivers, but we'll do it like the ArcoLinux release, the first of the month. What we are doing in this video is have a look at what is new. So the releases are here, and we're going to release in a few days this version. And let's go over the details and what have we've been doing. We have there is a possibility in Calamaris to have encryption, but it only works with grub. So I reached out to the guys of Calamaris, said, can we hide it? The option to encrypt on systemd and on system refine, so people don't waste time, because it's not going to work, right? So there is no encryption option anymore if you choose systemd boot or refined, and it just works if you choose grub. So if that's important for you, you choose grub. We're using we tried to get the latest code from Calamaris, and this is the latest code that we've been using. After a while, we were on ArcoLinux, right? We were on a pure ArcoLinux system, and one of the goals is making you independent of anything ArcoLinux based, Endeavor, Garuda, ArcoLinux, right? Stay clear. I mean, choose, but the thing is, we provide you the knowledge to become independent. So we were on a pure ArcoLinux system, and we wanted to build ArcoNet, Arco Pro, Arco Plasma, and also the Arco install. And because of that, we've restructured the build scripts. So ArcoNet, Arco Pro, all of them can be built on a pure Arch thing. And the main thing, of course, is when we're on Arch, we don't have the keys for ArcoLinux. We don't have the mirrors for ArcoLinux. So we've revisited the building script basically, and now we can build, in this case, this is the video of Niri, a picture of Niri, right? And it's pure Arch, and we're building here an ISO. And that's the thing, right? Being independent, we need to be able to do anything anywhere. That's basically why all these apps work like they do, like the configs work like they do. We don't care on which ArcoLinux based system we are. It should just work. That's basically the idea, right? So installing Arco Plasma in GNOME boxes. This is Arch, as you can see here. We've played around and see can everything be done on an ArcoLinux thing. February was certainly the month, and basically the discovery. Niri is a scrollable tiling Wayland, there we go, Wayland compositor. But it's surprisingly good, right? It is surprisingly good. You can have so many desktops available on Niri. It's just endless. Normally you say you have 10 desktops or 10 desktops per screen, right? Monitor 1, monitor 2, 10, 10, 20, which is in this case what you're looking at. This is chat WM, 20 screens is good for me, for my workflow, but sometimes I run out of it, right? Sometimes I need to close things again because I don't have enough screens, these buttons up here. Niri, you can't run out of desktops in Niri. So that's one of the things that is astonishing, in the sense that it can always open up another window. It's just endless. There's one thing which I suggested to the developer here, that we should have some kind of overview, like in Wi-Fi. If you tried it, there is the super key. It just hovers above all the other desktops and you see which application is where, and you can click it and you have this overview. That's something that's missing a little bit, because of course if you have a lot of windows open, you need to know where is what. But have a look at it, it's great. And we've added to desktop Niri here into Calamares. You can just click it. And a interesting setup is, for example, using the Arco Plasma, which is already supporting Wayland, and then all three of them, play with it, like it, and if you like it you can reinstall it later on, but play and have fun. This is the, well, the GUI, right? Calamares, and this is the TUI, as I say. But basically this is Arco install. And yes, Niri has been added. All the packages that we need to have Niri, and a beautiful Niri at that, is there, and as well the ArcoLinux tweak tool. So anywhere we go, if we're on Endeavour OS or anything else, Big Linux, etc., anything Arch based, we install the ArcoLinux tweak tool, we select Niri, we install, boom, we've got Niri. Right? We've also updated the code for the ArcoLinux desktop treasure, which is a way to remove desktops from our system. And voila. Some information, 6 videos already, a playlist for Niri. So you click it and you check out what I've done in these videos. And that's it basically. So what is new? That's what we're saying right now. How to stay rolling, that's already okay. I need to tell it again, right? Some people don't get it, so I should repeat it, that the advanced installation was voted. We voted, you voted to keep it. So many distros do not, right? Because it is prone to breakage. There are so many variables, starting with your network card, your cable, your switches, your router, the firewall, the servers, the key rings. I mean, so many things can go wrong with an online installation. So if it fails, this advanced installation, guys, remember, don't need to tell us anything, right? Just use the easy installation, because that's basically what all the other distros do. They say, okay, let's stay in a bubble, right? Let's stay just on the laptop or on the desktop. Let's not go online. And later on, after a reboot, then you're online and then you do your thing. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoy Niri for sure. There are other little things that we've changed, but you know us, we communicate via Discord, Telegram, and YouTube videos. All right, enjoy.